The immune system betrayal. The body's immune army arrives to defend T cells, macrophages, and dendritic cells. The defenders are numerous and ready for the fight. But the tumor releases deceptive molecules to confuse them. These signals are specialized cytokines and immune checkpoints. The defenders become chemically disarmed by the signals. Confusion spreads rapidly through the ranks of the immune soldiers. The tumor begins the process of reprogramming the macrophages. The transformation into specialized allies is underway. Macrophages are fully reprogrammed into TAMs that protect the cancer. They no longer attack the cancer, but actively shield it from threats. The immune system inadvertently serves the tumor's agenda. The body's defense becomes the cancer's unwitting employee.